When I Yuraq, I am expressing who I am and where I came from.
When we Yuraq, we make the spirits of our ancestors proud of us. Same way our grandparents are full of joy and happiness as they watch us dance.
With our dances, we are demonstrating our Chupik stories as they come to life by the singing and the beating of our drums.
Our dances make us feel good inside and heal us spiritually because we are dancing songs in the unison of the wind and the water. The dances are an inspiration from our Creator.
Sometime in this day and age, our dances release our stress and change it into positive energy.
Oh, when we dance, our dances bring us back to our homeland and our history.
When we dance, we show our respect to our loved ones that have gone before us.
It also gives us a sense of celebration to our everyday lives.
Quyana CVRF, Quyana Kishuna Mute School, Quyana Chevak, Quyana AFN, Quyana Alaska. Enjoy.